what can a person do? What can a young person do to reduce that? And then comes the question, when do we go to the doctor and when do we just do home treatments or over-the-counter treatment?
I always say hit hard, hit early. Our grandparents used to say that acne to hai, pimple hai, chhod do
Nikal
ise.
jayega, nikal jayega.
No, so don't do that, because now we know that acne starts with inflammation.
Yes.
Inflammation is actually the first thing. So that inflammation can lead to scarring. Even a small blackhead or a whitehead can lead to scarring. So rather than regretting it later, it's better that you treat it early. Because while for you this might be a small thing, but for that person who's going to school and getting bothered by his peers, it's a very big thing. And look out for triggers wherein you feel that, okay, he's not going out, doesn't want to meet his friends, so on and so forth.
Yes.
Because it's important that you treat it. It's important for them.
The idea of self-treating acne is so common, and you are saying don't do that, don't do over-the-counter, don't do your neem, haldi, all those different things that,
There's no direct evidence of these things helping in acne. At the end of the day, anything that you're applying is going to clog your pores more. And by clogging the pores, you're only going to make your acne worse. So yeah, okay, if you want to use that multani mitti, I'm okay with it. But the point is, it's not ideal if you have inflammatory acne or clogged pores. It's better that you use a good face wash instead. And then if you do feel that this is really getting out of hand, please visit the dermatologist.
When is the role of medication coming in acne?
So there are 4 grades of acne. As per what guidelines suggest, we are supposed to start the medication maybe at grade 2 or grade 3.
Okay.
Grade 1 can be handled with topical treatment. We need to balance things out. So if someone's really, really affected by it, and he's got a lot of grade 1 on the face,
you might start earlier.
You might start early.
These medications might go on for a couple of years or a couple of months, or, what are people looking at?
If it's mild to moderate, 2 to 3 months, you might start settling down with a simple antibiotic course. However, if you're failing the antibiotics repeatedly, then one needs to consider a slightly longer term treatment to give you preferably a relapse-free period.
And what are these treatments? Because I know people have hesitation to take things by mouth also. Do you feel that? Do you find that resistance?
Oh, huge. In
Yes.
fact, just any medication nowadays is a problem sometimes. What the drug of choice for acne per se, it's called oral retinoids or isotretinoin.
Yes.
Of course, if it's an adult, you consider something else maybe, like an oral
Pregnancy,
contraceptive
yes.
pill. Oral retinoids are the go-to for most of us when we're treating acne. Someone trying to conceive or wanting conception should not take it. The other common issue with it is that it can cause a lot of dryness. So one needs to be a little mindful of that.